Hello, the purpose of this video blog is to introduce you to an excellent new course that we have hosted on our website. We have just finished editing and hosting online a really excellent new course with Mr. James E. King, a prominent San Diego ethics attorney who has represented clients throughout the state and actually throughout the world. Mr. King is an expert in a number of different ethics areas, but definitely on attorneys' fees. Mr. King did just represent Mr. Robert Shapiro in an action for attorney's fees against Mr. Phil Spector. As you can imagine, Mr. Spector has had some major criminal law issues to deal with. Mr. Shapiro represented him in the case, and now Mr. Shapiro is looking for a return of attorney's fees, but Mr. James E. King, the attorney who's teaching this excellent course on attorney's fees, made sure that didn't happen. The title of the course is called Fee Agreements, Reasonableness, and Ethics. It's a 2-hour ethics course, so definitely has those ethics units that you need, some of your specialty credits that you're going to need whether you're in California, New York, Illinois, or a number of states across the country. The 2-hour course is broken into 2 parts. The first part mainly deals with the ethics of fee agreements. Mr. King details a flat fee, an hourly, and a contingency agreement, and also a true retainer as well. And that's a really excellent resource. Again, if you don't have a written fee agreement or if you have a poorly drafted one, that's one of the top reasons for malpractice claims and ethics violations. The second hour of the course details the ethics of attorney fees. Now, in most of the country, the standard is that the fee must be reasonable. In some states, such as California, it's that the fee must not be unconscionable. But wherever you practice, the ethics codes of most states are based upon the model codes, and it's kind of 2 sides of the same coin, whether something is reasonable or unconscionable, or unreasonable or conscionable, for that matter. If you're charging $50,000 for a really basic codicil to a will, that's going to be unreasonable, unconscionable, not reasonable. Whatever the verbiage may be, it's definitely not going to be considered an appropriate fee, and it can definitely lead to an ethics violation and a malpractice claim against you. And that's the point of this entire course, is to keep you practicing law, making sure you're operating with the written fee agreement, which serves as a roadmap for the relationship between you and the client, and it also does a little COIA. It protects you from being burned later on when your client becomes dissatisfied with your services or with any number of things. So again, that course is Fee Agreements, Reasonableness, and Ethics. That's brought to you by Mr. James E. King. Thank you once again. My name is Jason Castillo, the Director of Legal Education with Attorney Credits. Have a great day.